Hello everyone, it's Millicent from Sichuan TW-SCIE company, and we are the subsidiary of TW Group. We established in 2017. The company's headquarters is located in Qingxi Town, DONGGUAN City, Guangdong. And here is the second largest production base, with nearly 40,000 square meters of production workshops and office buildings. An annual output of 20 million core kilometers of fiber optical cables. We are committed to the research, development, and application of power communication optical cable. And now I'm in the factory. And we can see here is the OPGW production line. The main products are ADSS cable, OPGW cable, and other features. And now we are in the SST production line.
Ether.com make global trade easier.